So this is the example of a dry cell or zinc carbon cell. So you have two electrodes, negative and positive. So negative electrode is the zinc cup lined with paper. Okay, so this is the zinc container. Okay, and you have the paper inside the zinc container. The outermost circumference you have this absorbent paper, and inside that you have a carbon rod. The carbon rod is going to be the positive electrode, and the zinc is going to be the negative terminal. The zinc container is going to be negative terminal, and you are going to have an absorbent paper. The space between the paper and the carbon rod is filled with the sal, ammonia, zinc fluoride, manganese dioxide, and carbon dust. So this gap is being filled with all these chemicals what I told: sal, ammoniac, zinc chloride, manganese dioxide, and copper carbon dust. So the zinc container is filled with paper to avoid direct reaction of zinc and carbon, because zinc and carbon will react to produce zinc carbide. So prevent that, I am going to insulate them using a paper. So this paper will ensure that the zinc and carbon don't react within themselves. So the entire container is within a single terminal called pitch. The tin plates are used at the top for the positive and negative to bring out the positive and negative terminals of the cell. So it is a very predominantly very small battery used for torch, electronic apparatus, and toys and wall clocks. We use this battery, right? So this battery we are using it daily. And all the one-time use batteries are all made up of dry cell. It is zinc and carbon. Dry cell means they are not going to use any alkaline. Alkaline means sodium chloride, potassium chloride. அந்த மாதிரி liquid use பண்ணாம we are going to use dry substances inside the cell for constructing. This is going to be the dry cell. It is going to be made of zinc and